Hello friends, how are you? I hope you would find. This question we have taken from similar triangles. So let us see the question. It is very important question. It had been a part of examination 2007 of Delhi board. In the figure AB parallel to DE and AB, this is AB parallel to DE, and BD, this is BD parallel to EF, this BD is parallel to EF. So we have to prove that DC square is equal to CF into AC, CF into AC. DC is square, this is square, is equal to this into this, CF into AC. If you are new on our channel, please subscribe the channel. I'm Samir and you are watching My Scholars. So we shall divide this question or this figure in two figures, breaking the one figure into two parts. First of all, we shall take a triangle ABC and parallel line DE to AB. So taking a triangle in green color, this is we are considering triangle ABC. Triangle ABC, in which ABC, so this is ABC, in which DE is parallel to AB. DE, this is DE. DE is parallel to AB. Solution. If we apply Thales theorem in this triangle ABC, in the triangle ABC, we apply Thales theorem and we get CD in a small triangle, CDE, and the large triangle CAB. CDE and large triangle CAB. Ratio of a small triangle, side of a small triangle is CD. So taking CD or DC in triangle ABC, when DE is parallel to AB, AB is parallel to DE, it is given. AB is parallel to DE, AB is parallel to DE. Therefore, the ratio, this angle, because of this is parallel to this angle will be this angle. What kind of these angles? These angles are corresponding angles. Corresponding angles are equal, and here the angles are also equal. Corresponding angles, this angle, this is parallel to this, and these corresponding angles are equal. and one angle is common in both the triangles. So this way, these two triangles are similar. CDB in triangle ABC. AB parallel DE. Therefore, angle CDE is equal to angle CAB. CAB, corresponding angle, and angle CED and angle CED is equal to angle CBA. These two are corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are equal. And also angle angle C is common in both the triangles. Angle C is equal to angle C, common. Therefore, triangle CDE is similar to triangle CAB by AAA, similarity criterion. AAA, similarity criterion. And then we can apply Thales theorem. So applying Thales theorem in these two triangles, in triangle CDE and CAB, applying Thales theorem, ratio of the side of one triangle to the side of other triangle will be the same. So this way, CD upon or DC, take better DC upon AC, this is AC, is equal to side of this triangle, small one, CE upon CE upon CB, CE upon CB or BC. CB. This is say first. Similarly, now we shall take, instead of this triangle, we have got the one. Equation number 1. And now taking triangle CDB, drawing triangle CDB. we shall draw another triangle CDB, which is the part of this triangle ABC, CDB. C. This is side CD. This is B and this is point E. And the top one is C. This is point C and this is point D. Here is DB is parallel to CF, sorry, EF. This way, CDB, we have drawn again CDB. Now clearly, this EF in triangle we shall take again like the previous one in triangle CDB. CF EF is parallel to, it was given that BD is parallel to EF. So BD is parallel to EF. BD is parallel to EF. Given. And when BD is parallel to EF, this angle will be equal to this angle. Therefore, angle CFE is equal to angle CDB, corresponding angle CDB, and angle CEF is equal to angle CBD, corresponding angle. Corresponding angles are equal. And angle C is common in both the triangles. Angle C is equal to angle C. Therefore, triangle CB. Therefore, triangle CFE, triangle CFE is similar to triangle CDB by AAA criteria. And when the two triangles are similar, applying Thales theorem. So this way there will be C from this side, taking from this side, CE of a small triangle, CFE, CE ratio CB is equal to CF ratio DC. CF ratio DC. CF ratio DC. This is second. From first and second, we have from first and second, we conclude that from first and second, we conclude that DC upon AC is equal to CE upon CB is equal to CE upon CB, no need to write it again, is equal to CF upon DC is equal to CF upon DC. Or we can say that DC upon AC is equal to CF upon DC. By cross multiplication. We can say DC into DC is equal to CF into AC. CF into AC. Or clearly, we can say that DC square is equal to CF into AC. Or DC square is equal to CF into AC. Or DC square is equal to CF into AC. Hence proved. Please like and subscribe our channel and write in comment box from which city, which country you are watching my video. Thank you for watching, my scholars.